Cleanspark just released their Bitcoin mining update for the month of May. Now we only have June to wrap up the quarter and see what we're going to be looking at for their revenue. Are they going to hit 52 million this quarter? Well, with this mining update, we'll know what they need for the month of June. So let's take a look at it. Consider hitting the like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's take a look at this recent mining update. First off, let's read some quotes. Zach Bradford says, "We achieved a significant milestone during the month of May. Not only do we continue to increase the amount of Bitcoin in our treasury, but we also surpassed 100 million in revenue for our fiscal year to date. Importantly, we achieved this milestone with the bulk of our expansion expected to come later this year. Additionally, the amount of Bitcoin we mined this month exceeded expectations, largely due to increases in operational efficiency and a brief, albeit significant, increase in transaction fees. For about 5 days in May, fees were elevated because of increased interest in ordinals on the blockchain. At its peak, our Bitcoin production jumped to nearly 30 Bitcoin in a single day, almost double our normal daily production of about 18 Bitcoin. Since then, however, transaction fees have normalized." Now let's take a look at the numbers. In May, they mined 609 Bitcoin, and their current year of 2023, they mined 3,004 Bitcoin. Their total Bitcoin holdings currently is 451 as of May 31st, and their total Bitcoin that they converted is 471. Now we do have an exahash update. They're currently at 6.7 with a deployed fleet of about 67,196. Now this gives us another piece of the puzzle in terms of revenue. The company funded growth in operations through the sale of 471 Bitcoin at an average of approximately 27,400 sales of Bitcoin, equated to proceeds of approximately 12.9 million. Their mining average was 19.6 and they reached a high of 29.6 because of course the Bitcoin ordinals. Now we do have some operational updates. In Washington, the 50 megawatt expansion continues to track according to projected timelines, despite a series of rain delays that temporarily slowed down progress. Miners are arriving daily with all units expected to be at the facility by the end of the month. Racking has begun and energization is expected to begin in the second half of June. Sandersville, crews are making headway in prepping the land for the company's expansion at its Sandersville site. The planned expansion will add over 6 exahash to Cleanspark's mining operations. Additional updates about the expansion are posted from time to time on the company's Twitter feed. So let's add up their revenue that they've made so far. We have April, May, and then we're going to have June this quarter. So in April and May, they pulled in a total of 24.7 million. And what they're expecting this quarter is nearly $52 million. So essentially in June, they need to pull in roughly 26 million, 27 million to meet this expected revenue. So I do suspect in June they will likely sell more Bitcoin than they mine. And of course, they did say towards the latter half of June, we will see an increase in exahash because of their Washington site. But let me know what you think, guys. Do you think they're going to hit this 52 million in revenue? We are 2 months in and only halfway there. I personally expect if they are to hit that target, they are going to have to sell more Bitcoin than they mine again, which we haven't seen for about 3 months or so. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about this monthly mining update, and I'll catch you in another video.